Hello there. As you watch the unboxing experience, let's delve into why I choose to buy the Soundcare Liberty 4NC. I was trying to find some earbuds for sporty comfort because headphones get too hot in the head while doing sports. I also wanted noise cancellation to concentrate in my exercises and transparency mode if I needed to engage in conversations. And I wanted a snug and secure fit, ensuring the earbuds stay put even in the most dynamic of activities. Now, regarding the budget, I initially set my sights around 30 euros or dollars. Yet, after a meticulous exploration from the affordable to the elite, I conclude that investing $75 in the Soundcare Liberty 4NC was a wise move. They offer so much value for the price and have the precise function of essential features and delightful extras. Amid the package contents, you will notice an eco-conscious touch, showcasing a commitment to our environment. Here you have the manual that I didn't open. You then have a USB Type-C cable. I later unpacked that and is about 1 feet or 30 centimeters. Here you have the back side of the box. This is all card and paper, so no plastic. It even says in the box. And it showcases some features of the earbuds. Finally, you have 3 extra pairs of ear tips, making 4 in total, that you can choose for better fit in the ear. And that is all for the content in the box.